In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your PayPal account without using a phone number OTP. First, make sure you're starting on a trusted browser or a trusted device. That simply means a device or browser you've successfully used before to log into your PayPal account and one that you personally own or control. Using a familiar device is important because PayPal can recognize it and is less likely to ask for extra verification, like a one-time password sent to your phone. Open your browser and go directly to the official PayPal website by typing the address into the address bar instead of clicking on random links. This helps you avoid fake or phishing sites that might try to steal your information. Once the page loads, take a moment to check that the site looks correct and that the connection is secure. When you're on the PayPal homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button there. Click on that to go to the login page. On the login page, you'll see two main fields you need to fill out. The first field is labeled email or mobile number. In this box, type in either the email address that's linked to your PayPal account or the mobile number you used when you registered. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as it's the one connected to your existing PayPal profile. Double check for spelling mistakes or extra spaces, because even a small error can cause login issues. The second field is for your password. Enter your PayPal account password carefully. Make sure you're typing it in a private place where no one can see your screen. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid letting the browser save your login details. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click the Login button. If you're on a trusted browser or a device that PayPal recognizes, the page will reload, and in most cases, it will not ask you for a one-time password sent to your phone. Instead, you'll be taken straight into your PayPal account dashboard. From here, you can access your balance, recent activity, and any other features you normally use. If you want to keep avoiding OTP prompts in the future, try to consistently log in from the same secure device and keep your browser up to date. And that's it. That's how you log into your PayPal account without needing a phone number OTP.